like you're on the wonk. I don't know. Is that straight? Whew. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I thought I would do something slightly different, and although I'm still doing cleaning motivation, I thought I would bring you along in more of a vlog style day in the life clean with me. It's going to be jam-packed to help you get everything done, from the hoovering, tidying upstairs and downstairs. If you are brand new here on my channel and you have never seen my face before, my name's Amanda and I post every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 o'clock here on this channel, bringing you lots of cleaning motivation. So don't forget to subscribe with the button down below and also leave this a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into the video. So today I am going to be starting in the bedroom making the bed, because there was just something about a freshly made bed at the end of the day. I always try and make it, even if it's not made until about midday, I still make sure it is made before bedtime, because I think it's just so much more relaxing to go to bed with a bed that's already been made, and it also just makes the room look a lot more put together and nice and clean and fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, sort out the washing and sort out the cups and glasses that are up here as well. I do have a cup of coffee in bed every single morning as part of my morning routine. I do go downstairs and make a cup of coffee at about 6:30 every single morning, and then have the coffee in bed whilst just on my phone on social media and all of that. So this is part of my morning routine as well, just clearing any cups and glasses and washing out of the bedroom, ready to be able to give it a good hoover. So now this room is completely done. It doesn't take long to do at all, because it is quite a small room, which I am quite thankful for, because we don't let it get too messy because there's not a lot of floor space. But I'll just turn you round and you can see that the bed does need a bit of an iron, but apart from that, it's looking nice, it's all looking fresh, and I just need to have something on this wall here, and I don't know what to have on there, but I am thinking of just like a black and white print, because I don't want it to be too colourful. I want it to go with everything else, and just a bit of black to go with the like accessories that I've got over here. So if you do have any ideas of what type of print or quote or anything like that that you would have above the bed there, let me know down in the comments down below. So I've now headed downstairs just to make a quick coffee, because you know my caffeine addiction is real. I have so many cups of coffee every single day, so I'm just gonna make a quick drink and then head back upstairs and do the hoovering in the bedroom, because I think I said before it's been 4 or 5 days since I've hoovered, and I normally hoover every day, so the carpets are definitely looking worse for wear. So I'm going to put you on a bit of a time lapse, make a drink and then head back upstairs. So I'm going to do a bit of a before and after, so you can see just how much this house needed hoovering. But this hoover was emptied yesterday. As you can see, it's completely empty. When we've finished doing all the hoovering in the whole house, I will show you it again, and I will show you just how messy my carpets actually are. Okay, so hoovering this room has definitely got interesting since we got the Super King bed, because there is literally no floor space. But I am so thankful that we can see underneath the bed, because it has given me different angles to film from. Our old bed you couldn't see underneath, so that would have been really tricky if it was bigger, but thankfully this one we can see underneath, so you are going to see lots of different angles throughout this. And again, it's only a very small room, so it doesn't take me more than 3 or 4 minutes to get the whole room hoovered, which is fantastic, especially if I am heading out or I just don't have that much time to do the hoovering. It doesn't take many minutes to go over it and make everything a lot more fresh, because I think once you've hoovered, the whole room feels different. It feels bigger to me once I've hoovered. I think I've said this before and I will say it again, a room feels so much bigger to me once it's been hoovered. So I just can't wait to get everything finished and tidied up and just see how big all of these rooms end up looking. Okay, and this is what it looks like after just doing the bedroom. So I dread to think what it's going to look like when I've done the whole house. I only have left it sort of 4 to 5 days, but it's just insane how quickly it builds up. So now I'm finished upstairs and I've come down into the kitchen. You can see that it isn't too bad in this room. I did wash up yesterday and do all the tidying because we went shopping for food because we were almost completely out of food. So we did a huge food shop. So when I was putting that away, I did tidy the kitchen as well. Did the washing up and everything like that. So it is basically tidy. It just needs a good clean now because it has been a while since I've given it a good clean. So I'm just going to wash up the things that you saw me take out of the bedroom, the glass and coffee mug and bits and pieces, and put the washing up away. Then I can wipe down the sides, do the floor as well. The floor is in dire need of some TLC, so I'm going to give it a good hoover and mop it as well, wipe down the sides, do all the cupboards and just wipe down all of the surfaces, make sure it's all clean and fresh and smelling lovely.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you, and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me every time I see
while since I finished doing the kitchen, and I decided to empty out these glass jars that I had the cereal in and just put fresh cereal in them. We weren't eating them, they went kind of stale, and the cereal that I have I keep in the cupboard. But I'm going to actually fill these jars up because I think it would be such a waste to have these and not actually use them. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a good clean.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
So now they've been completely washed up, they are nice and clean. I'm just going to leave them here to air dry. I'm not going to dry them up just because I want to make sure they are bone dry before putting food in. So I'll let them air dry and then give them a quick wipe over. Right now we're going to head to the hallway, the front door. I need to just sort everything out. I think you saw earlier I've got so many muddy shoes in this area and it really just needs sorting out. I've still got the Hoover and everything out from this morning, as well as muddy shoes and just a whole load of mess down here. So I need to get this area sorted because obviously it is the first thing you see as you come through, and I really want to make this space just nice and fresh.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know.
Okay, so I completely forgot to hoover and mop the kitchen. So now the hallway's all done, it's looking nice, and I'm just going to do a few more touches at the end of the video just to freshen it up a little bit. But for now the hoovering's done and the shoes are sorted out, so I'm going to go and head back through to the kitchen and sort out the floor because that floor really does need doing. So as you can see, this room is tiny, so filming the hoovering and mopping has always been difficult because the floor is so small. But luckily, because it is this small, it only takes a minute or two to get both of them out of the way. And I absolutely love both the hoover and the mop. They do such a good job. I will show you at the end of the video how much this hoover picks up because it is just... it literally picks up everything. And I will leave both the mop and the hoover down in the description below. If you do want to check it out, just go in the description and click the link.
take it slow, make sure we do this right.
So this living room never really gets too messy because I do just tidy up as we go along. There's never too much to do in this room except for putting the cushions back, sorting the throws out, hoovering, dusting, that sort of thing. So I'm going to start with the sofa in here because I think that is the main area that gets messed up, is the sofa and the cushions, and then I can carry on tidying up, give it a good hoover because the carpet in here is just insane. Like I've said before, it's been a good 5 days I think since it's actually been hoovered, so it has been a while. I'm looking around and the floor is just pretty gross. Hopefully we can get everything back looking nice and fresh because everybody loves a living room that is welcoming, that is fresh and it smells amazing, rather than having chunks of mud on the floor. So I'm going to crack on and sort this room out.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating.
So I told you at the beginning of this video I would show you how much this hoover picks up, and it is literally ready to be emptied. I mean, look how gross that is, and that is literally just from my bedroom and the living room. Like, where does it come from? Like, it's been 4 to 5 days, I think, maybe 6 days, but that is insane. Now the house is all tidy and hoovered and everything's back in its place, I'm going to go around and make it smell amazing. I always do this at the end of a cleaning session. It just makes it smell like I've done a big deep clean even when I haven't. So I'm going to go around and show you what I do.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own. Where the wind's blowing, and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago.
Watching today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed my little spin on the vlog day in the lifestyle of video in this clean with me. I wanted to try something slightly different, so if you did enjoy it, please do let me know down in the comments because I would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe with the button down below, and also leave this a thumbs up because it really does help my channel when you do that. I will leave some more videos here on the screen for you if you are looking for even more motivation today, and I will see you back here in the next one.